Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ashes Beauty, and I hope that everyone is doing good. And in today's video I will be reviewing about my absolute favorite foundation, the Inglot HD Perfect Cover Foundation. And I will tell you what exactly is the HD foundation and the pros and cons of it. You must be wondering why my eyes suddenly popped up mentioning HD foundation, because it's a special kind of a foundation, especially great and gold for oily skin and acne prone skin people, so don't miss this video. But before we start, like always, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel so that you can watch all my future videos easily. So let's get started without further ado. So what exactly is a HD foundation? HD foundation means high definition foundation. It is specifically formulated with light diffusing particles to give the appearance of a natural flawless skin, and it's basically a camera friendly foundation. So that's why the name is high definition foundation, and it's used by actors, models and other people who appear in front of the camera because it makes the skin looks really nice and natural in front of the camera. Also, it blurs the fine lines and minimize the imperfection, the blemishes really well. So in everyday use you can definitely use it, but for camera it's the one. So this HD Perfect Cover Foundation comes in a box which is similar to MAC, very elegant and very simple. And the bottle is a stent sized bottle made of plastic, and it has a pump in it, and you can actually lock the pump like that to prevent it from leaking. And before I swatch it on my face and use it, let's look at its ingredient. If you look at the ingredients of the HD Perfect Cover Foundation, then it includes silicones. And silicones actually provide a very smooth, silky texture on the skin. And it's the presence of silicones in the foundation means that the foundation glides so smoothly on your skin. And another good thing in it is vitamin E, which is a known antioxidant and protects the skin from environmental stressors and promotes healthy looking complexion. And this foundation is paraben free and hypoallergenic, and it's oil free, so it's great for acne prone skin, oily skin, and it contains traces of white truffles, so your skin gets moisturized. I don't know if it's great for dry skin or not, but Inglot claims that it's suitable for all skin type. But I can vouch for oily skin and sensitive skin. I actually got this foundation as a gift, and that's the reason it's 1 or 2 shades darker than my actual skin tone. I have got shade 84 over here, as you can see. And the good thing about using a darker foundation is that it can hide the blemishes and discoloration really well, and you do not need to use any concealer. Here you can look at how the foundation looks so flawless on my skin. All the imperfection is like literally gone, and it appears so smooth, just like a second skin on my face. The prices of makeup has skyrocketed, and this foundation is no exception due to the increase in import duties. But even though it's on the price side, I always say that look at makeup from an investment point of view. Good makeup from an investment point of view. Even if you use it like daily in a thin layer, it can easily last 1 year. 1 year. And if you use it like me as an occasion specific foundation, then it can last for more than 1 year easily. And the great thing that I like about this foundation is its texture, which is really lightweight, and it does not feel heavy at all, and does not cake on the face. I hate cakey foundations because it looks so bad. And again, the staying power is really good. It does not settle into the blemishes or make them much more obvious, which is a great thing for blemished skin. And I like the fact that you can build up coverage if you want, which I don't prefer, but if you want, then you can build it really well with this foundation. And I didn't get a single pimple after using this or while using this foundation, which is a plus point for acne prone skin, although it melts like any other foundation in excruciating heat. So you have to take care of that, and you can definitely take care of that with some powder. So yeah, it's like that's not a big deal, but overall it's great. So the question is the Inglot Perfect HD Cover-Up Foundation truly a picture perfect foundation as it is renowned for? And the answer to this is yes, a big yes, because it makes my skin looks really natural, really flawless, especially in front of the camera. And I never thought that I could find a match for a foundation that I had been using since my teenage. I had been using MAC Pro Longwear waterproof foundation, and I never thought that any other foundation could come close to it. But I'm totally surprised with this Inglot foundation, and it's really great for oily acne prone skin type. It didn't give me any single pimple, and it's definitely a magic potion. It's a great paint that is really great for your skin. So this brings us to the end of our video. Do check out my blog on the website aishablogs.com if you want to know more about this foundation, and I've posted the pictures of it over there. So until next time, take care of yourself and ciao.